Does Apple TV have live TV? Apple TV does not offer traditional live TV channels, but it provides access to live content through third-party apps and subscriptions. Users can stream live sports, news, and entertainment by subscribing to various services available within the Apple TV ecosystem. 1. No built-in live TV channels. Apple TV does not include traditional cable-style live TV channels as part of its standard Apple TV Plus subscription. However, it allows users to access live content through external services. Second, live sports and news integration. The Apple TV app features a dedicated sports and news section where users can stream live events from partnered networks. These include Major League Baseball, MLB games, Major League Soccer, MLS matches, and select news channels. Third-party live TV apps. Apple TV supports various third-party streaming apps that offer live TV services such as Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, and Fubo TV. Subscribing to these services allows users to watch live channels including sports, news, and entertainment. Fourth, Apple TV channels for live content. Within the Apple TV app, users can subscribe to premium channels like Paramount Plus, Showtime, and Stars, which offer live programming in addition to on-demand content. These channels may provide live news, sports, or event coverage. 5. Live TV through cable provider apps. Apple TV allows users to log in with their cable provider credentials to access live TV through network-specific apps such as ABC, NBC, ESPN, and Fox. This feature is useful for cable subscribers who want to stream live TV without a traditional cable box. 6. AirPlay for live TV streaming. Users can use AirPlay to stream live TV from their iPhone, iPad, or Mac to an Apple TV device. This allows for additional live streaming options using supported mobile apps. 7. Subscription and availability considerations. While Apple TV provides multiple ways to watch live TV, most live content requires a separate subscription. The availability of live TV options varies by region and service provider. Apple TV does not offer built-in live TV channels, but provides multiple ways to access live content through third-party apps, cable logins, and streaming services. Users can customize their live TV experience by selecting the apps and subscriptions that best fit their viewing needs.